Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a dessert. Super easy to make, delicious, and a very fast recipe. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, in a bowl, let's break in pieces 150 grams of white chocolate. Then add 120 milliliters of milk. And now let's melt the chocolate in a pan with some water. Wait till it boils. Then till it melts half of the chocolate. Then let's take out it from the fire or the heat and continue mixing until they're all done melting. Now let's peel some tangerines. I'm using 5 or 6 depending if you love them or like them, and ripping them in pieces. Then in the white chocolate, let's add 200 milliliters of sweet yogurt and mix it together, and I'll pour it on some pouring glass, so the preparing of the dessert, it's way easier. In some decor vases, let's add first the tangerine pieces and then the white chocolate mix, and repeat the process. When they're all done, stand them into the fridge for about 15 minutes or until they're cold. Also, you can add some grated black chocolate, but do that if you want it more sweet. And this is the recipe. It's so easy to make, delicious, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, try it out and give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.